Child Rights, Soccer for Child Rights. This is the 4th edition in Chennai. We also have started it in Bangalore too. So this region of ours looks after all the states in the south, and we have projects across the south. SC Steads is one such project that we've had a partnership for many years now. They've been working in Vyasanpadi among the most marginalized children. These children are typically children who, if you do not keep with them, do not have conversations with the families, they would have gone back into child labor. So what SC Steads does is, through the medium of soccer and sport, it reaches out to children, it has conversations with them, and children get involved with soccer and hence start aspiring to do more with life. So they get back. So if they have dropped out of school, they come back into school and take it up. And we have instances where children have gone on to do their higher studies, they aspire to be lawyers. What we would really love to do is take this model of sport forward to other projects also. And this is a way where we see both corporates and SC Steads talk to each other, understand each other and appreciate each other. SC Steads learn from the corporates that there are opportunities out there, and if they aspire to be that, they can become that. And the partners also see what is the work, or they start understanding the kind of work that is done at the grassroots level by CRY. And CRY has been working with children since 1979, and we are constantly looking out for ways where we can have a sustainable approach to children and interacting with children and ensuring that their rights are taken care of. On board. One of them is SC Steads. We started it about 3-4 years ago with about 4 teams. Now we have 14 teams. And the teams are also, some of the players, we've seen them come back every year. So it's more than just that they come and play soccer. They've been with us, they're partners with us. And similarly, we have many such partners who've been with us. I mean, if you look at our food sponsorships, you look at everyone, you look at the volunteers that are there. All of them come here voluntarily, giving up their time, giving up their money, or even, for example, supporting us through monetary sponsorship. So this is an opportunity for many people to come together in terms of time and money and skills.